What did you learn? Like that. Right?
Today's catch.
Spot prawns.
No, don't allow it. Wait, I thought...
Prawns and seafood. Oh my god, it smells like fish. I can smell the shrimp. A squid, I can smell squid.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna go into circulation.
There's a lot of shrimp. There's a lot of shrimp. It's really cheap.
Where do you find the shrimp? Here?
This is where Lucky got dragged by the sea lion. Imagine on a store like this bin, and then we get the window here, and then I'm wearing it says for sale, right? The first sale sign, and then there's a big window, and then I'm wearing like a mermaid. All right. Corner.
You're swimming around in here.
No, I'm just in the corner like this. I'm for sale too. Freshly caught today.
You're flopping every once in a while like that.
That's not discriminating.
We're straight. No, it's different down here. Good on your